So I bought Fuzzy, but I accidentally put in the wrong email, and so I can't use it. But I wanna be able to do this and be fantastic because I wanna be amazing, and I think it would be good.
So guys, I've decided to draw this thing, and I don't know if you can tell what I'm doing right now, but like, yeah, I think that this program is actually way better than Photoshop. I don't care what anybody else says, you can't change my mind. I really like this program, and I think it's good, and if you don't like it, well, I guess you can like whatever you like. I mean, I think that it was like a lot of fun to draw this picture, if I'm honest. I really do like the like blues and the purples and even the oranges, but I decided not to do the oranges this time, because if I did the oranges this time, I think that it wouldn't have looked as good, because if you're underwater, it's kind of got like the light from the sky and all that kind of stuff. I was trying to do bubbles, but like I don't know. And then I was like, mystery snail! Rest in peace, Bunny. I used to have a mystery snail, and then I accidentally minimized my picture, and I didn't know how I did it, and then I fixed it. I figured it out. I was really concerned for a second. So yeah, I don't know if this is a decent snail eye, but I mean, it is what it is.